Yep, my engine for my K5 project just arrived. Brand new engine. Let me see what we're working with. You see this big old truck they had to come deliver it. This big ass truck, and they didn't tell me a big truck like this was coming to drop it off. Let me see what we're working with here. Oh yeah, fresh, clean. Just like Christmas all over again. Fresh new engine. Look at that. Nice shiny valve covers that trick your mind. Look at that brand new fresh engine right there. Yep, got to go back and finish getting busy. No time to play. Look at there. Look at there. Fresh, clean crate motor. Yep, go right in the K5. I'm in the back operating on right now, but it's raining out here, so I got to close it back up.